What is going on, everybody? TV, me and my TV, hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day. Now, everybody, it is Friday, July the 6th, and today is going to be a good day because today is the day where the newest, biggest mod to date is about to be installed on Reaper. I literally got to hop my behind in Reaper, head up to Alpharetta, back to the homies at Rat Pros, the guys who installed those beautiful yellow stripes you see on Reaper right now, because they are going to do the biggest mod so far for Reaper, a mod so big that it cannot be done in just one day. That's right, everybody. I got to drop Reaper off at Rat Pros. They're going to do their thing. I hope they send me some pictures because I'm going to be without him for a weekend. Hope he's going to be okay. No, but gotta drop him off for a week because this is not a simple mod that can be just done in a couple of hours. Now, this mod is so big that once it's installed, it's going to force me to do another mod. Once those two mods are installed, it's going to force me to do another mod. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to get done, but I will give you guys 3 hints just to see if right now you can guess what I'm about to get done. And at the end of this video, see if you guys are right. Hint number 1, everybody knows what I'm about and what I like to do. Number 2, everybody knows what I need my cars to be able to do in order for me to do what I like to do. And number 3, this will be the hand that I guarantee you guys, most of you guys will probably be able to understand what I'm about to do. There is a rule in cars that states what's done to one must be done to the other. Now, if that wasn't a dead giveaway, yeah, but like I said, I literally have to hop in the Reaper right now, head up to Rat Pros, go ahead and drop Reaper off. So I'll catch you guys in 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody, so we just got up here to Rat Pros. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in, zoom it. Up here at Rat Pros in combination with Shine Auto. So what I'm about to do now is go in here and check in because I haven't got permission with the guy who actually owns Rat Pros to go in here and film, so I'm not going to do anything without his permission. But what I'm going to do is go ahead, get everything set up, and I will check you guys exactly 1 week from today. Check out Reaper. Walk inside. See the drop top SL. See the Viper. Let's go check out Reaper. So we just got here to Rat Pros, just picked up Reaper, and where's he at? There he goes. I'm here with my man Brandon, who actually hooked up the stripes on Reaper, who just did the dye planes on Reaper. Now, you guys do not have to take my word for just the quality of kind of work that these guys do. So I'm gonna let my man Brandon speak for a couple of seconds. Now, for everybody in the Atlanta area, anybody who's in the Atlanta metro or the Georgia area, who's looking to go ahead and upgrade their car, maybe looks, performance, let everybody know who's watching what you guys can do for them.
So we specialize in solid color wraps. We offer everything from detail services to monitor bolt-ons, ceramic coatings, pretty much anything to do with the cars. We can pretty much take care of any of that. But that's basically what we did for our guy here. Installed the dive planes, removed the bumper. You know, this car is ready to go to the track now. So.
And if anybody wanted to get in touch with you to go ahead and set somebody up, how can they find you?
You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Rat Pros LLC.
Everything that he just said, I'm going to go ahead and put in the description. So if you guys want to get in touch with Rat Pros, you guys will know how to hook it up. Now I'm going to go ahead, hop in Reefer, go for a joyride, and I'll catch you guys here in a couple minutes. So I just got back into town from Rat Pros. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there have a bunch of questions. Who, what, when, where, and why. So what I'm about to do is break this down so everybody can know exactly where I got these from, how much they cost, and what different options they have. So for anybody out there who owns a 6-gen Camaro like I do, who may want to do this mod to their car, you will know where I got them from, and I'll go ahead and post everything in the description. But let's go ahead, get off of my ugly behind, and get to the car porn. Oh, yes, you like that. Oh, yes, you like. Ooh, smack that, flip it. Ooh, rub it down. Ooh, ooh, oh, no. Now, as you can see, these canards that I decided to go with are of the carbon fiber variety. Now, where did I get these from? I got these from Christy's Composites, and as you can tell, he does some bang, bang quality work. Now, he actually does have two different track setups for those people who may want to get this option done to their car. Now, what I chose to get, because everybody knows that I'm a track junkie, is the most aggressive feature, which is the S1 track package. Now, what does that consist of? You get the big old carbon fiber canard, as you see right here, and you get the twin nubs on both sides. Now, this will add for better airflow, better downforce, which will give me better front end grip when I'm going into, through, and out of a corner. But for those people out there who may not want to go ahead and have this aggressive feature, who may just want something just a little bit lighter, he actually does have a different setup for you, which is just the canards in the S1. Now, what does that consist of? That means you get the big old canard that you see right here, and you only get one of the nubs. Now, this particular setup actually ran me $539, if my memory serves me correctly. And as you can see, the quality, the fit and finish is perfect. But for those people who may want like the easier, the lighter version, I believe that was only like $439. Now, for some of the people out there probably wondered, like, well, why didn't you go with the ones we see from different websites? Why don't you go for the ones that you see on eBay? Very simple, because those aren't functional. Those are just for show. These have been proven both on track and autocross to go ahead and save you some time. Now, when it comes to autocrossing and tracking like I do, I have just put myself in a little bit of a predicament. Now, as it stands right now, I cannot track Reaper in his present form, because for all of my homies out there who track, who autocross, who know basically the fundamentals of what aerodynamics do to a car and how it affects it knows, as I was stating in the beginning part of this video, there is a rule in aerodynamics that states what's done to one must be done to the other. Now, how does that affect me? Let me go ahead and break it down. Now, everybody knows that canards will go ahead and give me better airflow, which will generate more downforce to go ahead and give me better front end grip so I can enter, go through, and exit a corner faster. But now, since I've added more downforce to the front of the car, what that's going to do to the rear of the car is make it lighter. And the only way I can balance out the rear with the front is my car is about to become wanged. I'm going to be part of the big wang gang. Some of that wang chung. You know, that's right, because a couple of months ago, I made a video asking you guys, would it be a good idea to go ahead and buy the ZL11LE wing? Now, the overwhelming majority are like, yeah, man, do it, man. You're a track guy. Go ahead and do it. Now, at that time when I made that video, that was only a question, maybe only just a suggestion. But now, since I went ahead and put the canards on the front of my car, it's not a suggestion anymore. It is now a must. So what's going to be happening here in the next couple of months is I'm going to have to go ahead and buy the reinforced trunk, because unfortunately, since I have the SS1LE model and not just like the standard SS model, my car did not come with the reinforced trunk, and I've been trying to find someone with maybe a damaged 1LE or someone with a damaged SS, something where I can save a little money instead of having to buy this thing brand new, but to no avail. So here in the next couple of months, I'm going to be going through the process of figuring out where I can buy this from, how I can buy it, and as soon as I can get it. But truth be told, probably here in the next maybe 2, maybe 3 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and order one. Now, the sad thing about it is the new trunks do not come painted, and I'm not going to paint it myself either. So what I'm going to do is take the trunk take my trunk back up to Wrap Pros. Brandon's going to go ahead and wrap it in a gloss black. Go ahead and put the stripes back over that, and then put the wing on top of that. Now, I'm going to be real with everybody. I'm not going to buy the wing to probably maybe September or October. Why? So just in case one of those websites who offer them, they have like one of them President's Day sales or Labor Day sales, whatever. So just so I can go ahead and save me a couple of $100s, then I'm going to go ahead and buy it, because since the new job is about to start here in a couple of weeks, I'm not going to be tracking for a while, and to save some of that tracking money, I'll go ahead and start investing it in my car. But here, probably in the next 3 to maybe 3.5 months, Reaper is going to be going through a massive, massive change. But I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If there's anybody out there who has any comments, questions, concerns, just want to have more info, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. But I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day. I hope everybody's enjoyed this video, and everybody stay tuned for that new upload.